So hi, I'm Pete Harris from ARM. I'm Technical Director for the ARM Performance Studio tools, and we're here at GDC demoing our Frame Advisor tool. This is a new tool we released at the end of last year, helping mobile game developers to optimize their application and get the best performance and energy efficiency for their devices. This tool is based around API capture, so it monitors the API calls your application's making, looking at how that ends up in the GPU, so we can model the behavior of the GPU and give you feedback about how the GPU is going to process that workload. Up here you can see the render graph. This is showing the images that your frame render is creating, how they're being consumed, and the main goal here is we can show you, workload sizes, resolution, and so on. But also you can spot workloads and data being written back to memory that you're never using. And if you can get rid of that, you can save bandwidth, you can save power, and improve your game. You can also see the geometry of your models. Obviously, it's one of the major data inputs that can be a significant impactor to performance and memory bandwidth. And memory bandwidth is one of the biggest optimization goals for mobile. Accessing DRAM is very power hungry. And we can analyze your models and give you detailed metrics about how efficiently your model's being passed into the GPU. And each metric has a very specific recommendation for how you could then change the inputs to make it more efficient. So it could be you have an index buffer that you're not necessarily getting good temporal locality, so you're reshading vertices. If you can change that, you can improve your memory efficiency. It could be things like you have padding in your data where some uses of a model aren't necessarily using all the input data, and so you're pulling redundant data from DRAM. And again, the metrics will tell you that, and you can very quickly identify kind of the change you need to go and make to see the efficiency. It's a brand new tool, so we're very interested to get developer feedback. And if you have ideas or feature requests, please get in touch on our community website or through the developer program. And yeah, over the next 12 months, we'll be looking at rolling out shader feedback, texture feedback, getting compute and other workloads into the render graph, so you can get a more complete view of how your workload is being processed. So yeah, thank you, and hope you had a good GDC.